Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, stay tuned. This human virgin hair was sent from Elfin hair, and this is what came in the package. I'll leave the link to it in the description box below. The hair is 24 inches and is a 13x6 T-part frontal. It has 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back, along with 2 straps. The knots were not bleached, so I did go ahead and bleach them myself, and the bleach took pretty well, and it turned in about 5 minutes. Now, this is my first time trying a T-part wig, and I must say that it is definitely a game changer in the fact that it's so easy to put on. There obviously is not much parting space around the edges, but I did go ahead and pluck them a bit. I also went in and layered the hair a bit to frame my face. As expected with straight hair, it didn't really hold a curl very well, so I did end up curling it again when I actually put it on. I feel like every time I curl my hair, it's a different curl each time, and I don't know how to make them the same, but I feel like it works itself out in the end anyways. For the actual install, I'm using the bald cap method, but honestly, you don't have to because the parting space is so minimal. You can get away with just using powder to match your skin tone. Typically, I put powder on the inside of the cap, but for some reason, I didn't this time. To secure it, I'm going to be using Got To Be gel and hairspray. First off, this is such an everyday wig, especially for the winter. It's super low maintenance, especially since there's not that much parting space, and it looks good, straight, curly, whatever you want to do with it. It actually reminds me of the ease of a synthetic wig. As long as you have the part ready and raring to go, everything is going to be good to go from there. The only real negative is if you plan on wearing this on a windy day, it might not work out too well because the side parting is so minimal. And once you put some baby hairs in there, it's pretty much non-existent. So just be mindful of that if you're planning on purchasing this. Can we just get into this melt? Like, I haven't even done anything yet and it's already starting to look like scalp. So I'm just going to take some rubbing alcohol and clean off any excess gunk around my edges. Here I'm just using the straightener to bring those little baby hairs down in the general direction that I would like to lay them down in. And as mentioned before, I'm just sprucing up these curls because of course they fell a little bit. Next, I'm going to add some powder to my part and then go in with my Care wax stick to smooth down these flyaways. Last but not least, we need some volume, of course. So just going to comb out the curls a bit and do a little hair flip, and there you have it, folks. We've installed this baby to perfection. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section below if you're feeling this wig. If you're not, make sure you thumbs up, share, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and tap that notification bell so you're notified whenever I post new videos. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you have any recommendations, anything that you'd like me to try, leave them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.